Open Classics. Today I'm at Wheels at the Warren golf course just outside of Malden. There's some epic cars here. I've come in a Ford Racing Puma today, which I've parked up on the hill. So I'm naturally drawn to Fords. There's a couple of absolutely amazing cars here. Steve, the owner of these incredible cars, has brilliantly agreed to just tell us a couple of little details about a couple of cars he's got. So firstly, we've got this amazing RS500. So I don't want to put you on the spot, Steve, but if you said you'd had the car for a while.
16 years.
16 years.
Came out the Bonkers collection, Mark Bailey.
Right. Okay.
Big.
Okay.
Well-known RS collection in Wales.
Okay. Okay.
It's just a straight car.
Good.
Standard.
Yeah, and personally that's why I like them.
Yeah.
I respect people that change their cars up, but I prefer standard cars, and obviously that's why I was drawn to it myself.
Yeah.
So obviously you're here today. Did you get out and about in it an awful lot?
Not a great deal. Too many. Got that as well.
Right. Okay.
And another one at home.
Nice.
And
Okay.
too many motorbikes as well. So
Okay. No,
I use them as much as I can.
Yeah. No, exactly that. And, what I found is if we've got one car, we've probably got another 2 or 3. That's because you get an emotional attachment to them, don't you?
Yeah, I wouldn't sell them.
No, absolutely not. No. So have you had to do anything to it since you've had this particular car?
No.
No?
Just Paul Linfoot, the RS500 guru. He tied it up the underneath.
Okay.
All the components.
Right. Okay.
Painted, nuts and bolts done. That's it.
That's the joy of it.
A few services.
Get in it, use it,
Yeah.
enjoy it.
Yeah.
Amazing. Right.
Always works.
No, and that is exactly what you want from a car. No, that's incredible. So this is the RS500. So next to it, you've also got your Cosworth, Escort Cosworth, which is like again an incredible bit of kit. How long have you been
4
lucky enough
years.
to own that? 4 years.
My 60th birthday present to me.
Yeah, no, why not? You deserve it. Amazing. Okay. So is that the same thing? Just
Bog standard.
brilliant.
12,000, 13,000 miles now.
Is it? Wow.
Yeah, I've done a few in it.
Yeah. Oh, amazing.
It's the first time out this year.
Is it? Oh, it's looking well for it. Yeah. Oh, that's great. Look, thank you so much for that. So I'm going to now do a walk around of both of these incredible cars. Thank you for taking time to watch, as I say. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. And if you could share the channel with anyone that you think might be vaguely interested, I would really appreciate you for that. Thank you. Keep safe and happy motoring.